Another new listing and will ask the same question. Is this home priced well or overpriced and inflated? Hello everyone, this is Hani Gali, your realtor. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Texas, JPAR broker. We serve our client nationwide. I want to welcome you to another new. Is this home priced well or overpriced? Where I select a home in Collin County and I do analysis, I run some comp and school rating report, and in the end I do my conclusion. Is this house priced well or it's overpriced? I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and if you're ready, I am. Let's get to it. The home that I'm evaluating today is located on 107 Heard Street in McKinney, listed for $325,000. McKinney population as of 2019 is about 200,000, citydata.com. McKinney is growing very well in the last few years, 266% since the year of 2000. Those are some aerial pictures of McKinney. Those are some pictures of inside showing how the home looks like. I will leave the link below if you wanted to go check it out. This report represents an estimate sales price for this property. It is not the same as the opinion of value in the appraisal developed by a licensed appraiser under the Uniform Standard of Professional Appraisal Practice. With this out of the way, let's get to the listing. This home features 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, about 952 square feet. Lot size is 5,400, built in 1925. Price per square foot is $341, no car garage, I included the AARP livability score for this zip code. The index includes 7 areas. The score for this area is 57. The market activity for this zip code, an estimated value, the median home value $362,000, and the median listing price is $446,000. These are the comps for this property. The very first column is the subject property, followed by 2 closed ones, and then pending in the end. The one closed first is sold for $145,000, sold on September 14. The second sold one sold for $270,000 and is sold back in May 25th. The pending one, it's listed for $235,000. Price per square foot for each property. These are the days on the market. 2 bedrooms each, same, 1 bathroom for all. This is the square footage for all of them. This is the lot size, and the one sold has a double of the lot size than the subject property. Year built, they're all old, but the subject property is the oldest. This is how far those comes from the subject property. These are my notes because I did adjustment based on the lot size and all other features that is different than the subject property, so can I adjust the price in the end. I will tell you how much I estimated for at the end of the video. The assessed value for this home by the county is $239,371. The map showing where the location of all the comps in relation to the subject property, they all in the same area. I also prepared school rating report for this property, and this is the first page of the actual report. But before I get to that, I need to tell you about this data. Facts and proficiency score are provided by Niche, which compiles score, community reviews, and other data about the school across the United States. Ratings for this school are based on the most recent available facts for each school and district. Data compiled by the U.S. Department of Education, provided by School Universe Survey, Common Core data, and others. This data is updated every quarter. The school for this area is Caldwell Elementary School. This is a public school from K to 5th grade. The overall rating for this school is B-. Enrollment for the student in this school, academic grade E+. Math and reading proficiency and gifted and talented. Teacher grade is B+. Now is time for the question of the day. Is this home priced well or it's inflated and overpriced? It is way overpriced, and here is why. The house is not located in the best school in the McKinney. Very small house, very small land, ancient, old. The price per square foot is $341. Extremely high price. But if you start property description with Honey, stop the car. This property will fly off the market. Alright, what is my estimate price for this home? I estimated the price for this listing $261,863. I just want to provide a note here. Some people are so greedy and wanted to get $325,000 for a 950 square feet, not realizing that their listing will stay on the market and they have to keep lower the price to match the market value in their area, and that will hurt their listing. The lender will have their own house appraisal, so when the appraised value come back way lower, this buyer will run away. Seller need to be more smarter and educated about their homes and their market. That's why I provide these videos to help them understand the housing market in their area. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will get notified when a new video like this comes out. If you would like to see this listing, click the link below, and if you would like to buy or sell a home, contact me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got some good value out of this video. Until next home valuation, stay safe.